I had a dream of becoming the best version of myself as a kid. So naturally, I started asking a lot of questions. But because of our typical education system, no one cared. So as a curious 13-year-old kid, I started searching on YouTube. How can a school student earn money? Like seriously, how can a school student earn money? And when I searched all those things online, I got to know about one dream job that everyone aspires for, and this is literally like the best job that you can ever get, and that was a job of becoming a YouTuber. Look, for me, YouTube really felt like a dream job. So I started posting my own videos on YouTube just for fun. And I remember the first video which I uploaded got 3 views. All those views were obviously my own views from different accounts. But at the same time, I started learning more about video editing. And very soon I started becoming good at making videos, editing videos for myself and uploading them on YouTube. That was literally like the perfect job for me. But there was one problem. I was never consistent on YouTube because I was always chasing views and subscribers and numbers which never really increased. So I almost gave up. Around the same time, I started focusing more on studies. I wrote many exams. I got into a decent college and almost left my passion, which was making videos. But you know what is the best part about going to any college? That it gives you freedom. It gives you freedom to do anything whatever you want to. It gives you that chance to go and chase your dreams. And that is exactly what I did. And this is exactly when I took one of the most important decisions of my life. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. See, I am going to tell you what was my situation back then. As I was brought up in a middle class background family, we have this constraint in our head to not directly purchase whatever we want to. We have this resistance on those initial buyings, and at that same time, I wanted to learn something out of my comfort zone. So I thought of purchasing this online course from a guy whose videos I regularly watch. And for some reason, I knew this course would be worth it. And this time, I did not want to learn video editing for those fancy effects to get those high number of views. I just wanted to learn video editing because I was just curious about it. The art of video editing. That is what I wanted to know. So I just took the bet. I promised myself I would work my ass off for this thing, and I just bought the course. And this time I was really committed. Like seriously. And after finally editing day in and day out, learning all those lectures, applying those things in real-time YouTube videos, I made this one video in December 2023 which did not perform that well, but in editing sense it leveled my game up. And at the same time, something unexpected happened. After I uploaded that video, a random stranger who I don't even know approached me on Instagram. He told me that he liked my videos. The recent video that I uploaded, he loved the edit on it, and he wanted to work with me. Like, are you even getting this? I was just 3 months into this course and now I'm getting clients who want to work with me. They want to give me money to edit their videos. But there was one problem. I had exams at that time, so unfortunately I could not edit his videos. But by that time I understood that video editing is something that has huge potential, and if I just keep on focusing on my skills, I will be there very soon. And this is when I got obsessed with video editing. I made my first portfolio. I started pitching my portfolio to the clients, pitched about 100 to 150 clients through Instagram DMs, Telegram, Discord, everything. And after 3 days of reaching out to many people, there was this one client who liked my portfolio and he offered me edit a reel for it. I was so excited that I edited the whole reel in just 2 hours and I sent it back to the client. And you know what? The client absolutely loved that reel. And because this was the first time I ever edited a video, I was convinced that he was not going to pay me. But you know what? That client paid me. So the first earning that I earned through video editing was 301 rupees. Shagun ka 1 rupya. And that is exactly when I realized the feeling that you get of earning your first income. So this is the story of how I earned my first income through video editing. It is so crazy to even think about it. A random decision, a random dream, and lots of sleepless nights could literally change your life. And honestly speaking, this was not possible if I hadn't bought about that course from Tarun Speaks. And if you guys are looking to buy any online course or trying to invest on yourself, don't hesitate it. Buy that course, buy that thing that is going to improve your life in future. And not only this one thing, I have done a lot of things. I have done that 7-day challenge. This video is the part of the 7-day challenge that I did on Instagram. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram yet, follow me there, because I will be in touch with you on Instagram. And at the same time, you can comment on this video. Let me know your valuable suggestions, whatever you want to know from my side. I will be happy to answer. And trust me bro, if you are a college student and looking forward to fulfill your dream, to achieve something in life, and you're in college feeling stuck, believe in yourself. It is totally worth it to pursue that dream even if no one cares. Just do it for you, and don't ever let anyone tell you that you are not enough, because you are enough, my friend. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, do what you love.